Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's really nice to have you guys here. So as you can see from the previous video, so what we are doing today, it's something we call tilt maze game, right? So where you can use your finger to control or something on the screen to navigate through a maze, right? And I think you guys will really enjoy this. It's very cool, and it was fun for me making this. All right, so without wasting too much time, so let's just get into the connection. Okay, so let's do the easiest one first, which is the buzzer. So we can see this is your buzzer. You can connect your buzzer the way you want. You can put your buzzer inside your breadboard, or as Ivana tried love to do it, you can take it out, then you put like a female to male wire into it. But anyways, your ground is okay. So first, take your 5 volts from your Arduino to this red line, so that all this red line will be 5 volts. Okay, so you guys should not forget that. Then your ground should be to the blue line, so all this blue line will be your ground. Okay, so your buzzer, take your ground from here, then the long side of your buzzer, so yours won't be red and black but short and long, right? And it's not that the height, the length is not that different, so you have to be very careful. All right, so the long one will go to pin 3. Okay, so that is done. Then this is our display. We've done this connection before, but let's just go through it again. So the VCC will go to 5 volts, the ground will go to ground in here. Then our D in, I can't trace it very well, so our D in is pin 12. Okay, so the D in here will go to pin 12. Then the CS will go to pin 10, and the clock, which is the CLK, will go to pin 11. All right, so please note that. Okay, so that's that connection. Very easy. You can check it from here. A D in 12, clock 11, CS 10. So something new that we are using today, it's called the accelerometer, right? So meaning that when you tilt it to some angle, maybe X by X or Y, it will give you some values, right? You know, and that is what we are trying to use for our class today. Okay, so if you guys have any question for this device, let me know, and it should be easy for you to locate. It's small, but you should be able to locate it in your kit. Okay, so okay, yeah, so this device is called the accelerometer, but from our kit it's called GY521, or you can also call it ITG or MP, but again, it's just showing you the tilt. If you move your hand up and down, right, it will measure the Y axis, right? Then left and right, I think that's the X axis. Okay, yeah. So but to connect that, so your VCC to 5 volts, your ground to this, and then to be the SCL and SDA, the name is called out on your board, but is not in here. But the SCL should be the one closest to this, so connect the SCL to this and connect the SDA to this. Okay, very simple setup. Okay, so you can pause the video and look through it. If you have any question, let me know. And this is the code. I will give you guys the code too. Yeah, so I'll give you guys the code, so it will be easy for you. But what you need to look at is when you play the game, so you have to navigate through the maze to get your goal 5 times before the system will display that you want. So you can play with this. You can set it to 2, 3, or make it more, right? Then when I was playing, you can see from the video, I actually attached this to my hand, to my finger, using a sellotape. So you can also do that, so that the game will be very easy for you to play, because I had to use my hand to hold this in place, right? Yeah, but you can actually put this inside an empty stuff in here too, right? This other side, just plug it in inside empty pin on your breadboard. I think that should work too. And yeah, so that is it for this week. If you guys have any question, please let me know. The code is there for you guys to have fun, and this is the design. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please share this with your friend, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.